Alright guys, so we're going to unbox this ceiling fan plus LED light. Here's the specs and model number and everything. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, so we got our duct. We got our clamp to hold the duct on, and then here's our other clamp. Here's our instructions in there. Here's the main assembly, and here is our cover. So the first thing that we're going to do is we cut our hole to match our vent light, and we're going to put the electrical up there, and then we're going to put it up there, and now we're going to screw it into place. Next thing you're going to do is plug the light in, and also secure it with your springs. Push it up in there and attach it. So this is where we're going to plug the light in, and then this is where you slide your springs in that hold it up into place. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and install our vent. And make sure that you take the flap tape off, because if you don't, then your vent will not open. Now we're snugging our clamp onto the air vent. Next you're going to wire it together, and then there's a couple of different configurations that you could use to wire it. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like whenever it's on and running. So on the back of the vent through the attic, you can change the light settings, like warmer or cooler, just depends on your taste. And we chose the brightest one because we like to have the light really bright. And then, so yeah, we chose this setting. And that's it. Really good, really bright in here. Lights it up well, fan vent's good. And it's kitty approved.